If you have chairs and the felt pads won't stay in place, you can install a nail-on felt pad. The style I'm installing has a nail-on plastic base that will hold the felt better than wood. When the pad needs to be replaced, it's easy to remove and reapply a new felt pad. Pre-drill a pilot hole with a drill bit slightly smaller than the nail. I use the nail to determine the depth of the pilot hole. Tap the base onto the leg with a hammer. Remove the backing from the felt pad and center it on the base. The base on this floor protector is a 1/4 inch thick.